Imagogu nilig ni hajamu.
Hafade and welcome to Ketungu Chamorro. Let's learn Chamorro. My name is Josephine Agutu. I am the Chamorro instructor for Olai Elementary School. For today's lesson, we will focus on daily greetings. School was fun. In Chamorro, Namaguf y escuela. Namaguf y escuela. We learned a lot today. In Chamorro, Megay inting upago. Megay inting upago. Mom and Dad, what did you do today? In Chamorro, Nana Zantata, hafabidan mizupago. Nana Zantata, hafabidan mizupago. I played some sports for PE. My friend and I won. In Chamorro, humugondo zuwegu gi PE. Mangonna zu zani amiguhu. Humugondo zuwegu gi PE. Mangonna zu zani amiguhu. Yes, I have homework. In Chamorro, hungan, guahatetsuguma ginini escuela. Hungan, guahatetsuguma ginini escuela.
The Northern Marianas Humanities Council supports educational programs that focus on human issues and experiences.
Sa popota y aktibidad, ni maabibiba, imegay diferentes tautaugues gi komunidadta. Ni man nazuzuda, gilina la tanota. Gibandan sosyal, ekonomia, zan kultura.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at 670 Humanities.
The Northern Marianas Humanities Council, navigating the human experience.
Bundle your home internet, mobile phone, and home phone at IT&E and explore all the great things you can do. Plus, get a free Roku streaming stick. Stream, share, play, and shop with lightning-fast internet. Stay connected anywhere with the best 4G LTE mobile network and free home service. Sign up for Explorer Rewards and earn 1 United Mileage Plus mile for every $1 of your monthly statement. Visit any IT&E store or call us to learn more. IT&E. Explore your world.
Buenas and Hafide, Tata Marianas. Thank you again for watching Ketungu Chamorro. Let's learn Chamorro. My name is Chef Hilz, and I am super excited to teach you guys how to make Bonelos Aga. In English, that means banana donuts, pretty much. Aga bananas, Bonelos donuts. Banana donuts. All right, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is the ingredients we're going to be making. We are going to be needing 2 cups of mashed bananas. The more ripe, the better. We're also going to be needing 2 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, or as much cinnamon as you like. I love cinnamon. We're also going to be needing 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, some oil to be frying all these bad boys. I will be needing 2 tablespoons of milk, and I will prefer whole milk, just to let everybody know nobody wants skim in this. And then also, we're going to be needing 1/4 cup of sugar. Here we have brown sugar. You can use brown sugar, white sugar, it's really up to you. There'll probably be a slight difference in the taste, but no matter what, it's going to be really good. For everybody's on sweet tooth, you could also be using maple syrup as an optional sweetener, I guess. Probably to dip the Bonelos Aga. So the first step we're going to do is to place our large frying pan onto the stove. And then we're going to be adding tons of oil. We need a good amount because we're deep frying these. I would say a lot. Woohoo! There we go. I think that's pretty good. Alrighty, we're going to be turning on the heat to about low heat. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is be mixing in our ingredients for the Bonelos Aga. So right here in my bowl, you get I think this is a good amount for the amount that we're going to be making. And the first thing you're going to be doing is to mix all the ingredients. But because our bananas are not mashed up yet, we're going to be mashing up, I would say maybe 3 bananas. Okay, so we're going to do that first. 1, 2, 3. All right. So normally just peel it. Just like that. Whoop, there we go. And that is 1, 2 na aga. Zanesti, 3 na aga. Alright. Alrighty. Okay. So now we're going to be mashing it up. Alrighty. Ating pagu. Alrighty, there we go, mashing these up. Like I mentioned, usually the more ripe the better, so that's a lot easier to mash up. I love bananas. I'm getting so excited to eat it already. I'm just gonna take a spoon and just help these out, get out of there. So while I'll be incorporating all the ingredients in this bowl for you guys and still taking out some mashed bananas, just want to tell everybody here that is tuning in that Bonelos Aga has been one of the food and desserts in my family forever. My late grandma, she would always make these, and I would love them so much because they're so good with the coffee in the morning. And she makes them super dongos, which means burned. And if you're like me, like dongos banana or Bonelos Aga, it is so good. Honestly, making these bananas right now is really making me miss my grandma. I never baked these or fried these with her, honestly, because she was a perfectionist. She used to work in a catering back when my mom was just a little girl. So when it comes to cooking, I would try and help her, but she'd just tell me like, nah, like stop, like move, you know. And I'm like, okay, Grams, okay, dispensa. So right now we're gonna be adding 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of flour. Just gonna be pouring that right in. And then next thing we have is half a teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder. Yep, just like that. All right. The next thing we have is 1/4 cup of sugar. And for right now, we're going to be using brown sugar. So 1/4 cup of brown sugar. 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So that's just about a pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There we go, people. 2 tablespoons of milk. Like I mentioned, guys, whole milk is the way to go. Shake that up a bit. It's about 2 tablespoons. And then 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Like I mentioned earlier, any amount really is fine. I just love cinnamon. All right, so we just started up our oil, heated it up. It's really good to go, as you can see. We're testing it out right now. Now we're going to be taking our batter and be placing it in the pan by the spoonful. So just take your trusty rusty tablespoon. The heat should be like about medium heat. Alrighty, here we go. Perfect, so that's 1. That'll be 2, 2, 3. Let's try out this recipe. It's super easy, super simple, and it is the Chamorro version of banana fritters. I guess that's what some people would call them, but for us, we call it Bonelos Aga. Right now, we're going to be flipping them. I think we're going to lower the heat a bit. So, how do I like my buñuelos? Which is dongos. So, we're going to be frying these for a few more, maybe like 1 more minute, I would say. You just want it to be like a certain color, which I think should be darker, but for the sake of this video, I'll make them perfect for you guys. All right, everybody, they are finished and good to go. So you prepare a dish with some paper towels, just like that. So here's, once again, is our batch. And thank you so much, everybody, for watching Ketungu Chamorro. Let's learn Chamorro. My name is Chef Hilz, and I love buñuelos just as much as the next gal, and I really hope that you're gonna be another buñuelos lover just like me. Thank you, si Zeus maasi, and adios.
The Northern Marianas Humanities Council supports educational programs that focus on human issues and experiences.
Sa popota y aktibidad, ni maabibiba, imegay diferentes tautaugues gi komunidata. Ni man nazuzuda, gilinala tanota. Gibandan sosyat, ekonomiya, zan kultura.
Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at 670 Humanities.
The Northern Marianas Humanities Council, navigating the human experience.
Bundle your home internet, mobile phone, and home phone at IT&E and explore all the great things you can do. Plus, get a free Roku streaming stick. Stream, share, play, and shop with lightning-fast internet. Stay connected anywhere with the best 4G LTE mobile network and free home service. Sign up for Explorer Rewards and earn 1 United Mileage Plus mile for every $1 of your monthly statement. Visit any IT&E store or call us to learn more. IT&E. Explore your world.
Will you help me with my homework? In Chamorro, cocina una zurezu ni tetohu tetuguma ginin y escuela. Cocina una zurezu ni tetohu tetuguma ginin y escuela. Lunch was really good. In Chamorro, sumen monyi ya motsan taluani. Sumen monyi ya motsan taluani. What's for dinner tonight? In Chamorro, hafa para cena la muna. Hafa para cena la muna. May I watch some TV after I do my homework? In Chamorro, cozinha do Omega Television, zengimunazan do no Tetsohu Tetsuguma Ginini Escola. Cozinha do Omega Television, zengimunazan do no Tetsohu Tetsuguma Ginini Escola. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. I will go to sleep now, Mom, Dad. In Chamorro, hugesquis inifenhu zan ufagasi imatau esta. By humaigu pagu nana zan tata. Hugesquis inifenhu zan ufagasi imatau esta. By humaigu pagu nana zan tata. Thank you for watching Ketungu Chamorro. Let's learn Chamorro. My name is Josephine Agutu from Oliai Elementary School. Thank you again for tuning in and learning the Chamorro language and culture. Until next time.
Usa todo imagogu nilig niha